Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to install multiple Google conversion on Shopify using our app, that is Infinite Google Ads Conversion Tracking and GTM. So first of all you need to have is to you must have to subscribe to our premium plan. As you can see, I have subscribed to this plan, and by using this plan you can install multiple pixel and get all these features like unlimited server side event tracking, enhanced conversion tracking, purchase and remarketing tracking, and all these. So first of all let me move to my Google Ads account. Here you can see I have two accounts. Let me switch to Alpha Agency. You can see there is no conversion made over here. And if I have a look on my Google Tag Manager, I have attached this account over here, and these are the containers I have made previously. Now I will create new one with the help of my app. Click on Add Pixel, and here you can see we have to select Google Ads account. We cannot go with this account because we have already created the conversion action through this account. So I will select my other account. Click on Alpha Agency, and that's it. Next we have to select the Google Tag Manager. GTM container I will prefer using a new one because it will avoid the data to get messed up. Now click on Continue. Create a new pixel. I have explained each and every step in detail in my previous videos. You can watch those videos as well. And here you can see I have enabled these all options, and these options will be enabled by default as well. Click on Complete. Conversion setup is underway and will be completed in approximately 4 to 6 minutes. So we have to wait for it for the data to get reached in GTM and for creating the variants. In Google Ads account, data reached quite earlier. As we can see, let me open my Google Ads. The conversion actions will be created over there. So you can see here is the purchase conversion, add to cart, begin checkout. These all are inactive, and you can see our name is indicating that these conversions are created through our app. Let me move to my Tag Manager. Here you can see the containers are being created. I have to click on the container naming our app like Infinite Google Ads Container. Data will also reach within the anticipated time, and workspace will get published. And these are our ads account, GTM container account, and pixel ID. So it will take some time for getting the data over there. I hope you have got the idea that how can you install multiple Google conversion on Shopify using our app, that is Google Ads Conversion Tracking and GTM. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.